Sorry about that. Well, so to sum it up, these are what some important things that you might see on a topographic map look like. A ridge, which is kind of like the edge of a cliff or a raised area, would look kind of like this. Compare that to a valley here, which a stream as it flows is going to cut into the ground, causing the contour lines to curve up along them. So if you ever see a stream or a river, it's going to create a valley. And the way you remember what direction the river is flowing, see how these contour lines are kind of pointing to the bottom left, kind of pointing down and to the left? The river flows the opposite direction that those are pointing. Think of it like the river, as it flows, is eroding away the landscape, causing these areas to dig down a little deeper. This shows that it's a valley because the contour lines drop down, showing a decrease in elevation. So the opposite direction that the contour lines are pointing is the direction the river or stream is flowing. So let's say these are pointing southwest, the stream is flowing northeast. Okay. Then a hill or a mountain, you will see these contour lines circling in as the elevation increases from the bottom of the hill to the top. Contrast that with a depression. A depression is where the ground is going down. A hill is like the ground or sticking up. A depression, the ground drops down. A depression, they're going to circle inward, but you're going to get these little lines sticking inward, showing that it's a decrease in elevation. All right. I think that just about sums it up. Now, go ahead and answer this question. What do you think? What might people need to use contour maps for? Just kind of type in what you think people might use contour maps for in the real world. I've already talked about one thing I use them for. If you need to go back to the video and check that out, do so. Just type in some examples of things people might need contour maps for, and we'll talk about those in later lessons. Then we've got a video for y'all to watch that kind of sums up everything I've just told you, and then a short quiz. If you need to refer back to any point, you can rewind the videos. The quiz is about 6 questions. It's not long. It's just a way of giving yourself feedback on how you've done, and we'll be checking in how you've done. If you'd like to watch the video by yourself, go ahead and close out of this video. Otherwise, I'm going to go ahead and click it and play it. And thank y'all for listening to this, and email us if you did not had trouble understanding this lesson or anything. Sorry, I didn't know I was going to start right up. Email me or Miss Herrera if you had any trouble with this lesson, and tune in tomorrow for our next assignment. If you'd like to pay attention and watch the video, go ahead and no, go ahead and watch it on your own screen. All right, that's it. All right, thanks for watching. Now, how do I stop this?